Just gonna start all over. We're gonna start from here.
Yeah.
Hello and welcome to the ZCS Game Zone. My name is Z, and this is Cat, and tonight we're gonna be wrapping up Ratchet and Clank Up Your Arsenal. There. Now you have starting point. What?
Okay. And you were
right. So I was doing some research. I was doing some research, and I found where Cognito Slim was. So we know where that is. Cat's gonna fix the curtain because it needs to be fixed still. But I also discovered that in my works, in my research, that we did not pick up an important game in the series. Apparently, unbeknownst to me, there was another title in the game, and it is Into the Nexus, which I am now. There we go. And so I went and picked up Into the Nexus. We're going to be playing that after this because I was told it was an epilogue into the Ratchet and Clank future Chronicles or series or whatever it's called. Oh, it's over here. No? Where? So where's the active... Oh, my God. There. Look, the bouncer. Oh, right. Those were the other two. The bouncer's here, and it's for free. High places. I don't think I have to. Yes, I don't have to do that. But now we have the bouncer. Remember the bouncer?
I do.
The one that shot the bouncing bomb?
Thingies?
Downside, it's level 1. And we're almost done with the game. Oh, poo. Anyways, so what? I said Apu.
You right there?
Yeah, my nose itch. Gonna do one of these real quick.
It's us.
It's us! Well, not really us, because I quit watching.
Oh, yeah.
Because the advertisement decided to play through, which was weird.
We're still logged in, though, because we have the chat up. So it's us.
Oh, okay, it is us. So we got 2 more planets. We got this planet and the final boss. My biggest gun wouldn't even put a dent in that thing. Found it.
Nice.
So I hope all of you guys are having a great Easter. That's annoying. I just left him. I just left you, buddy. Could you not have had that 2 days ago when I was there? I'm assuming is the time... I don't know. Don't know, don't care, just get me there. Dude, that thing is shooting a giant beam of awesome. I want to go.
You are going.
I had to plug in my controller. It was dying. It's not dying anymore.
That's good.
Lasted 4 game sessions. Figured that was a good charge. Yeah.
Pretty good.
Let's try this again. I still have the bouncer, like I haven't shot a single shot off. And free.
Yay.
I beat the last game. Oh.
Only a lot.
I beat the last 2 games. And then I'm going to beat this one. And I really hope that Into the Nexus respects that I've beat the game. What?
I just want to see it.
Oh.
Is he fuzzy?
He is fuzzy. Wow. What?
Where'd you put it?
Oh, it's in the game.
Oh, okay.
So I can just start it up.
Yeah.
Alright. And break the boxes. The sound of money.
Gotta love it.
The sound of broken...
Oh
my! Something is very big shooting at me.
Oh, there's a lot of things shooting at
I want the
you.
bouncer. Ha! Oh my
Holy
god. That thing starts out massive.
Doing that.
I do, but it was like later in the thing.
It was at the end of the game?
Well, it was after it leveled up, but good lord, the thing was massive.
So... It starts where you left it off in the last game.
No, there's no way.
That thing was huge. There's no way.
Well, I know,
it
but I'm
did
saying,
that in the
like,
first
there's
one.
no... Wow.
Wow. Okay, that happened.
Yeah. Just come back over here. Oh, goodness. Excuse me. I had a monster itch in my ear. Are we done with weapons? Yeah, okay. Oh, the bouncer's an awesome gun. Well,
Like, that's how it was closer to the end of the game. If not the way it...
where did they go?
They ran down behind you. Ran down that way.
Okay.
For some unknown reason.
Ah!
There they are.
Ba-doo-boo-ba-doo-ba-doo-doo. What? Big dude went down.
Without even actually
Wow.
doing anything.
Kudos to the bouncer.
Nice.
And here we were complaining because the bouncer was gonna suck.
Who? When?
Me. What?
You, why would
Well,
you
no,
think
I was
that?
saying that it's gonna be a problem because it's level 1. And we're so close to the
Oh.
end of the game. I was like, oh,
Yeah, but
surely.
its level 1 is like where we left it in the last game, which is pretty epic.
So many of those little. Oh my!
That is a lot of little red things.
Dodged it.
Nice.
Oh crap!
Oh
I
god.
missed. Okay, I need it. As impressive as my dodging skills are.
Let's actually kill something.
Oh, really? I got the jackpot thing now. Ow, ow, ow. Oh, there's only one. Oh.
Now that
hit
one
me.
is definitely dead. As is that one. Not so much that one. Or that one. Lava gun.
No, because lava gun's already leveled up. I want to do something that's going to level up.
Makes sense. Isn't that the gun that sucked earlier?
Yeah.
Like, epically?
It wasn't the gun that did good. Let's put it that way. God. These guys do not understand how advantage works.
My hand smells like... I'm not gonna say that.
Yeah, I'm glad you thought that sentence all the way through before you said it.
It smells really good.
I'm really, really thankful you didn't finish that sentence. Because I'd have had to laugh like a 12-year-old. Look at how bouncy that is. That's so epic.
I'm
have no
very
idea.
happy that for once I actually thought before I spoke when
Oh,
it came to
I'm
something
sure
like
a lot of us are right now.
that. No, you wish I said it.
Yeah, a little bit.
Because it would have been hilarious.
Just because I'd have been like, 12-year-old me would have laughed hysterically.
Food. My hand smells
Smell
like
like
food. There.
Oh god, something is shooting at me! Ah!
Something is
I don't know what it is!
There was something. They were like falling from the sky. Oh, is it
okay.
that thing back there? That really ginormous guy? I like how that's still only level 3.
I'm so scared. Oh god. Are any of you health?
Yes.
Ha ha!
Oh god. Doesn't matter though, because you got hit. Thank god you got the health before you got hit.
Yeah, right. I'm going to jump across. Please do not attack me.
Kaboom.
Right. Remember that don't attack me thing? Yeah. I think we just failed.
Oh, okay.
Now it's even better.
What?
If that was possible. I'm really nervous.
Oh god. Okay.
Because I still only have that little bit of health.
Yeah.
You guys just stay there. Like you realize all it takes is like one really good shot and I'm dead.
Yeah.
I think I have to go this way.
Yeah. Still no health.
Ah, oh, there I got health. My maximum nanotech increased.
Oh, nice.
And I keep getting bouncer ammo.
Yeah, you do.
God, this gun's turned out to be really
So
amazing.
there's a random chair that did not break in the midst of that first hit you did. God damn.
Really?
Sorry. I'm so sorry. You were getting a lot of bolts.
You all will die!
He actually just stood there when it exploded that first time. I love that sound.
Yeah. Poor bastards. I got a skill point.
For what?
I don't know what for. That's what I was gonna say. I don't know what for, but oh god.
Kind of guy shooting at you.
Don't care, don't care, don't care, don't care. They all just died. Oh god, none of them died. They didn't do anything. I'm busy right now collecting bolts.
Clearly.
Okay.
A lot of
Alright, I killed all but that. Oh.
There should be like 3.
Oh god, I totally like didn't even try to dodge that one.
Nice. They're kind of still coming in though. Apparently. Any more?
We good? Alright. Continue point.
Music. There it goes. That one took a little while to reset.
Frick, 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 frick. What are you doing?
It's like, what is going on? Why aren't they getting sucked in? They are. Those two aren't.
Ha ha ha! I care not for your armor.
Health.
Really? Oh, you are shaming me right now. Quit that. Really? What is
I don't know.
whatever.
But there's health. And men that are going to shoot at you.
Haha!
Skidoo. And fail, apparently.
Don't scatter. No, 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 no. You want to stand
little-
still.
The little things go after them anyway. The mini bouncers.
Is it? I don't know what's coming. Oh,
Wow,
Baba!
there's a whole bunch of them that just went in there too.
Got it. That'll work.
Yep,
Ish.
kind of.
Ha! It hit him, and then he got sucked into the vortex. That would suck so bad. Get it? Get it?
Get it.
And level 4? That looks like a fish. I see what you're saying.
Yeah, looks like a goldfish.
So are you the last one alive?
Oh,
Ow.
one little bullet.
Ooh! Alright, aiming inside this room is not very helpful right now. Fine. God, not.
Very well. Like at all. 1 hour
There.
later.
God, that really did take way longer than it should have. Oh, wait. There. Suck it!
That's always so amusing.
Suck it, Blue! Is it a shame that one shot kills him and I just go, oh my god?
No.
I'm gonna leave you here. We don't need you right now. I just love destroying them.
I love how it just takes one to destroy a whole metric ton.
Oh, did it upgrade? Now it's level 3.
Hold L2 and R2 to what?
Lock on.
Oh.
Oh, they're all in the air.
Oh.
That's okay. He still died.
He died. That's all that matters.
Oh, that was so awesome.
I was about to say, can't you lock on now, though?
Not with that. Not with this little gun. This is the rocket launcher. That was the bouncer.
No, I meant
yes.
with the bouncer.
Oh yeah, but it can only shoot like that.
Oh, okay. So even if you lock on, it'll just go in its general direction at first, but then kind of move
I
down.
really would like to destroy you. Do I? Oh, I have to. Aha! Great! I'm glad you listened.
What's that?
I get to destroy him.
Oh. There you go.
Don't mind me. I'm just going to blast you into itty bitty pieces.
With one rifle shot.
There. Get the bouncer back out. Oh, and increased ammo too. Because this is the end of wherever we're supposed to be.
I can't see your mics in the... Okay.
There you go. Did we kill it? We actually blew it up? Now we gotta get to defeat Dr. Nefarious. Really? They had 2 models of this?
Well, you know, if they didn't, the game would be shorter. You just can't have that. Dun, dun.
Done! There's a trophy on this planet.
There is?
I can't remember where it is.
It's okay.
It makes me really sad. Oh well.
Have you seen the Crudes?
Yes.
The little sloth?
Dun, dun, dun! Yeah.
Like all the time?
Yep,
I love it.
Yep.
I love it so much.
And suck it, lights!
Get the ones on the other side.
What are the odds that I can make that and then jump up there?
Very slim. Very slim.
Oh, you give me more than I would. I gave me impossibles.
Ah. I was trying to be nice.
Oh, sorry, ship.
Nice. Just destroy your ship.
It happens. This
Ship
is the
won't
final
give you
planet.
bolts.
This is it. This is all she wrote. This is for all the peanuts in the basket.
And then we get this one.
And then we get to go into the Nexus! Which, by the way, I haven't played. I got all.
Ever?
No.
That'd be interesting.
I did watch the opening, though. Because it made me when I installed the game. But I hadn't even, clicked new game yet. So I don't know, what all it's going to take to set up the new game, but... God dang it. If you're interested. God, every planet now is making me go back to see him.
Mm-hmm.
You know, I'm sure there were children and adults alike that played this game And they're like, this is the first one they played in the series, and they were probably like, God, why do I keep having to buy all these weapons? Who is this guy? What are these weapons? Like, because they're like really expensive if you don't have the second game.
If you didn't beat the second game?
Actually, I don't even think you have to have that. I think you have to just have data
them?
for it. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Well, no, have save data on your memory card for it.
Oh.
Like, you don't actually have to even beat it.
The save data, if the save data does not include those weapons, I would think that...
I guess it's possible. Hello. Excuse me. That is supposed to be free, thank you. So I'm gonna need you to fix that.
I'm sorry, what was that?
It's not free.
Want to repeat the whole hand gestures and all?
No, I did it. I'm pretty sure I did it pretty solid the first time. Nailed it.
Oh.
Well, kids, it looks like we're not buying the shield charger. Did I buy the... Oh, you know what I bet it is? What? I bet it's because I didn't buy the shield charger. You're right. I didn't buy the shield charger in the last game. Makes me want to now go back and buy the shield charger in the last game. Duck. The Quackoray.
The Quackoray. I like Duckinator better.
Should we get this? Or are we saving up? We got the armor. Do we really need anything else?
Armor. I don't think so. Was there another... There isn't any other weapons,
I don't think so. Alright, we're going to buy the Quackinator.
We're gonna turn things into ducks.
My start button has decided not to work when it's saving. Okay.
Can we turn things into
Yes, we're gonna turn things into freaking ducks. Oh my god. No backseat driving.
I want to turn things into ducks.
You can't turn things into ducks. I'm sorry.
Will you?
Yes.
I get to see it though.
Yes, you do. I don't know if we need the void ray or what's it called, the wave rift ripper, if we have the duck. Because if we turn the things into ducks, we don't really care about them.
But the rift will also do the big things, and they'll just
yeah. But we have the bouncer for the big things now.
Oh.
So I think I'm gonna do the duck there in place of that. We like the blade gun. We need to get that up. The lava gun is kind of that like saving grace of, oh my god, we just screwed up. What is the Tempest?
What is the Tempest?
Oh man, yeah, no, Tempest instead of that. Tempest is the big lightning one, remember? That targets all the different creatures and goes...
The one that we forgot about?
Yeah.
Because we got sucked into the other?
No.
It's so funny.
What level is that? Switch rings?
What?
Wait, I have 2 rings?
What?
I have 2 rings? When did this come about? I don't remember this. Wait, I have 2 rings? How do I access? I do.
So I guess just whichever one you want activated at that time?
No, you hold down R1. I didn't know I had 2 rings. Oh, okay. Huh. Second ring. God, this has like all the cool crap. Rift gun. Don't need that. I have that on the first ring. Yeah. There's that. There's that. There's that. I don't need the rockets. The plasma coil. Oh, the plasma coil is another gun I need to try to use. But it has a really low count on ammo, so I haven't really ever enjoyed tinkering. I think I took the lava gun off. I'll put the lava gun over here. Yeah. Oh, snap. I didn't know. I did honestly not know I had 2 rings.
And now that we're about to beat the game...
Z beat the game with only 1 ring. Well, I didn't have 2 rings in the other ones. It's not like I had them and then just... I may have. I don't know.
I mean, you didn't know that one.
I didn't.
Until the end of the game. And I'm pretty sure that was like an accident that you just found out.
Yeah, I was like, switch rings. What does that mean? Derp. Alright, guys. You stand... What am I... Oh, the duck thing. No. Look, you guys stand right there.
Let me duck
I'm going to shoot you. I'm sorry. Don't do it. Think about the children.
problem solved. Whee! Oh,
Whoa!
snap. He's really big.
Duck, 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 duck,
That guy
duck,
would
duck,
take
duck,
forever
duck,
to
duck,
duck.
duck, duck, duck. Okay. We're the shot. Not that I just
You
sit there and
realize
yell
how
duck over and over
long
again.
it would take to duck him.
I'm 8.
That's okay. Because what I said earlier, I'm surprised you didn't comment on because you were busy
Yeah.
saying duck.
Duck, 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 duck. What'd you say?
I said, wow, he's really big.
Oh, no, that wouldn't have triggered that.
Would have for me.
Wouldn't. It's because you're
Would have
8.
for Sigs. Sigs would have been that's what she said. What? Oh, even duckinating them takes forever.
Duck!
Ah! Oh, look at how cute he is. Now he's a squishy duck.
Duck! That was worth the hit.
Yeah. They're ducks. And you are halfway to leveling up your quacko whatever. Your
Quackeray.
duckinator.
My quackeray!
Duckinator. My nose itches so much.
Scratch it.
I've been.
Oh, Cat, you may not want to watch this part.
Oh, is it the wall thing?
Oh, this isn't so bad. Oh, I got
Okay.
to fight on this one.
Okay, and it's straight, so it kind of looks like the floor now. Oh, except for that. But that's okay, because it wasn't us.
Not that my blades aren't just going into space and then blipping out of existence.
Okay. You weren't doing twisties, so it's okay.
Oh.
Well, they're
I
robots
actually
now.
legit forgot that I even had that stupid thing.
Which thing?
The Terra guys. Which looks like that.
Oh, yeah.
Remember that about? Hello. Okay.
I'm a squishy.
Alright, here we go.
I'm what you used to be.
This is a fire drill. I need you to activate the elevator immediately. Then proceed to the nearest swimming pool and throw yourself in. How do I know I can trust you? You are squishy after all.
Almost went too fast there.
Could one Tyrannoid lie to another? Only if his lips were moving. Ah. I'm not sure I like your tone. I must report your behavior to the authorities. If you do not let me pass, you're going to be passing through my bowels if you're still standing here in 5 seconds. Oh, God.
What the hell? I thought if you got it right, they weren't mean. Oh, I guess he's a robot now, not a squishy.
Alright. You do not need to get violent. I'll just phone up Dr. Nefarious and let him know he won't be getting his massage today. I'm terribly sorry for holding you back, friend. Please proceed and say hi to Dr. Nefarious for me. Oh.
Okay.
What is over there? Oh, bolt! Whee! Do it again. Okay, I was like, do it again. Oh, God. I don't know what's... Okay, good, okay.
You right there?
Yeah, no, I had a moment. Ooh. Free targets?
Yes, no,
Free
maybe?
target. In the... Ooh. Oh, yes. You can die happily. Wow, making me drop every one of them.
One little step at a time. You need your suit.
I do. Boing! God, I'm not excited about doing this again. You want to read their conversation?
I can read it, sure.
Alright, go
I
ahead.
guess. Excuse me, sir. Lawrence doesn't like the color of this force field. He says it clashes with his trousers and he wants it deactivated immediately.
I'll read his. Nice try, Squishy. You know, I heard a rumor about a Lumbrax creeping around here disguised as a Tyrannoid. Oh god, that's me.
Ha, that's a good one. That Lumbrax?
Lumbax.
Lumbax?
Say Brax, yeah, sorry.
Must be incredibly brave.
Or incredibly stupid. Is that some kind of Halloween costume you're wearing?
Haha. Look, if you let me through, I'll loan you my Amoeboids gone wild. Holovid disc.
Director's cut? Really?
Yes, we are having this discussion.
Not that this actually isn't a little bit taxing on my brain to remember.
Of course, you won't believe what those slimy co-eds will do when the cameras are rolling.
You've got yourself a deal! I feel better now.
Yeah.
Wasting all of my time doing that.
Yeah, no kidding. Oh, I guess you're not going across it.
Ha 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 ha, suckers! Remember your big bad boy? Yeah, he's dead.
Oh, hit him anyway. Pretty sure it killed him.
Oh, I forgot about the double bolt multiplier. I forgot.
I'm sorry, you forgot about what?
Dang it!
What happened?
The double bolt multiplier.
Oh.
What am I shooting? Oh, I didn't even realize what I was shooting. I thought I was shooting the disc gun.
Apparently not.
No, I was shooting the rockets.
Ting, 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 ting.
Oh, hey, boys.
Ooh.
Alright, I'm gonna do this really quick. Yeah, I'll say. Oh, good. Or I'm just gonna be able to take my freaking time.
Yeah, there you go. What?
Get him, kids! Get
I hit the wall first, so it didn't really work well. There
Get him, kids! There.
There.
Yeah. Hey.
One little guy.
Should die
Just
now.
standing there.
Wow. Oh, look, there's another one.
Oh, yeah.
It's all like fancy and stuff.
Only a lot.
I heard a raw, but I
Me
don't
too.
see a raw. I think your rawing is coming through the door, buddy. Oh, there it is. How do I get you? Yeah, you're too high up for that. Oh, there you are.
There we
Oh, there's a ladder over here. Bum, ba, bum.
12 feet.
Trophy. That's the Lawrence.
Yeah,
Lawrence.
the butler
Lawrence.
guy.
Yeah, Lawrence. All right, I'm gonna try to aim this just right. There we go. Oh, or it's just gonna kill me or knock me off. All right, now that we're using every tool that was in this game. Oops.
Well, those went really fast.
Oops. Dang it. Dang it.
Now you have to get used to this again, apparently. stage 2 of 4 just...
Thank you. I forgot that you were going to do that. Yes.
Love it when they do that. They just line it up.
Whoop. My eyes start to hurt after doing this for so long.
Yeah. That I can completely understand.
Sorry, I don't mean to not be talkative during this point, but as you can imagine, this requires quite a bit of my concentration.
Thinking.
Oops. There. I was like, I had 3 more over there. I was like, some way this is gonna grab. Like, you guys were already shooting, so I imagine there's a lot of you in here. That was awesome. His blast hit him.
The guy up top?
You stay in that beam. Get him. Get him. Gaboosh.
I'm sorry, what noise is that?
Gaboosh. Really?
Wow.
Seems a little late in the game to give me that helpful hint. Gadget. Wow! Oh, great. Watch this. Ha! Oh, God. Have fun yet?
So weird.
You end up just kind of getting used to it after a while.
Yeah, it was bothering you last time.
Oh my
That was
gosh.
A big guy.
Alright. Just do that. Do that. Do that. Oh God. Oh God. They didn't die from one hit.
Ah! No, but they can kill you in 2, looks like.
Okay, I just wasted a lot of good stuff that could have been... Oh, cool. Well, that solves how I was going to kill them. Not that one hit the bump and then went like way up into the air. Oh, what was in there? So something broke over there. Huh? Huh? Alright, ammo for days. Not that I want to fight anybody. We're not here to do that. Why is she always on a video?
She's not always.
Yeah, she is.
No, she was in the cutscene last time. In person. When you had to defeat the guys on the base. Your thing.
Oh, yeah, she was, wasn't she? It would be funny if she was on a video on that.
That would have been pretty amusing.
I don't remember what Velden is. Dark Nefarious Health Bar.
I'm sorry, what?
What'd
you say within the...
Dark Nefarious Health Bar. Holy bejeebus. That's a lot of missiles.
Yeah, it was.
Oh, I gotta land on the path.